center.
Are you saying we need to have a birthday center now?
Yeah.
Maybe put balloons and cakes and cupcakes and stuff in there?
Yeah, I'd be in there all day.
I was going to say, that doesn't sound like a bad idea. Anyway, celebrity birthdays on this list today. And, of course, at the very end, you get to sing happy birthday to all of them. that look was priceless.
Okay.
Let me guess, you're not going to sing.
No.
Oh, okay. Who's on the birthday list today?
You probably have it on your computer. Play it at the end. Anyway, the birthdays today are comic Robin Williams is 58.
Yeah, happy birthday to him.
Actor John Lovitz is 53 today.
Right.
Actor Josh Hartnett is 32 today.
Right.
Baseball's CC Sabathia.
It's hard to say. He plays for the New York Yankees.
It's 30.
Right.
And former Attorney General Janet Reno is 72 today.
Yeah. And of course, if you're out there listening, you may be celebrating today. We want to wish you the best ever.
And just to correct myself, baseball's CC Sabathia is actually 30 today. I said I said they're 30 degrees today.
30. You're just wishing you're looking forward to going back to the weather center. It's about how cold it is over there, I think. I walked into the new Chick-fil-A the other day, and I think they had it about 30 degrees. It was so cold in there. Didn't feel bad after being outside, but I'd never been inside of a place that was as cold as what it was. I guess getting the chicken ready, they had to make sure it was cold, but it did feel good. Kind of muggy outside right now. Got some shower activity throughout the area. 77. Looks like a high today at about 90. And I got another request. Came in over here a few minutes ago. Yvonne called in, said that her and Don wanted to hear this tune, which I guess last summer was a huge hit. Was one of my favorites too. I like this. You probably know this one too.
Yes, I do. It's People Are Crazy by Billy
Currington. You can't read on my side of the counter, can you?
No, I'm trying to read it upside down.
That doesn't help either, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Anyway, we'll send us an out to them. Don and Yvonne said they were on their way to Walmart shortly.
Yeah.
Might be a few crazy people out there.
Yeah. Show's almost 1 hour from being over.
Yeah. Next we'll go to Channel 7.